Poppin' guys, it's Dynamite, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your 808s hit harder. Now if you haven't already, like and subscribe for more content like this, and make sure you follow me on Instagram at It's Dynamite. Make sure you place the A for X. Now I have this beat I made in April called UI, and I'm going to play it for you guys so you can see for yourself how hard the 808 hits, and I'll show you what I did to the 808 to make it hit that hard.
It's Dynamite.
Now, the 808 I'm using for this track is the KBC's Girlfriend 808 from my Naptime drum kit. I'll leave the drum kit in the description below if you want to get that. Now, what I did to the 808 was simply turn it up. As you can see, the volume's on max, and here as well, the velocity is at 100%. And on the mixing board, there's no external plugin on the mixer for that 808. It's just naturally hitting that hard just by turning it up.
It's Dynamite.
Now you can see when I play it's peaking, but on the master channel it's not peaking. Now, if you want to know what I did to the master channel that made none of the sounds go past 0, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a master bus preset.